In this video, I'll be showing you how to set Netflix to 4K. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, what you want to do firstly is use a 4K approved browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera as well. So what we want to go ahead and do is get the official Netflix application, but of course you can use the browser version too. And all you want to do is go over it and click on your profile. Of course, just make sure you have a 4K monitor, because if you don't have a 4K monitor, you're not going to be able to see that 4K setting, or it's just not going to work. Then on the top right, go ahead and click on your profile icon, then go over to account. Now, once you're in account, you're going to see a lot of different options here, but over here we can edit settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see playback settings as one of the options, and you want to change the video quality to high. And this is going to allow for HD and Ultra HD quality, of course, depending on your monitor. After that, you should be good to go. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.